Good morning, dear children. Welcome to 6th Standard Social Science class, History Unit 2. Humans are superior when compared to another creatures. Humans are the one who created several things. Okay, wait. Who are humans? How they evolved? To know the answers for these questions, let's move on to the lesson Human Evolution. In this lesson, we are going to study about the origin of humans, hunting and gathering, implement of stone, fire and wheel, significance of rock paintings. What is evolution? It means the process in which humankind changes and develops into an advanced stage. Children, do you know? The story of human evolution can be scientifically studied with the help of archaeology and anthropology. What is meant by archaeology? It is the study of prehistoric humans, remained materials used by prehistoric humans. Excavated materials remains are the main source for archaeological studies. What is meant by anthropology? It is the study of humans and evolutionary history. One day, Tamilini of Standard 6 went to the science exhibition with her grandmother. There they saw a operator operating the time machine. Operator said, "Welcome, come and experience the time machine. It will take you to the period which you select."
Grandma, can we go forward and see our future?
What's so interesting in future, Tamil? Let's go back and see our past.
Yeah, that's good.
Tamilini and her grandmother operate the time machine to the year 1950. They saw few vehicles and many people walking. They changed into 8,000 years ago. There they saw people doing farming, crop production and agriculture. Again they changed into 18 years ago, where they saw early humans who were hunting with crude materials.
Grandma, can you tell me the story of evolution?
Oh, yes, why not? Stages of evolution. Humans have evolved over a million years ago and adapted to the changing times.
Grandma, can you explain it in detail?
The first species was Australopithecus. Nature, a mix of human and apes. They used to walk by two legs, which means bipedal walk. They survived with the year of 4 million to 2 million years ago. The common name was proto-human. The second were Homo habilis. They have presence of big toe. They were the tool maker. They survived the year between 2.3 million to 1.4 million years ago. The common name for Homo habilis was proto-human. Third was Homo erectus. They walked in a straight position. They had the knowledge of fire. They survived the year 1.8 million years ago. The common name for Homo erectus is Java man. Next, Neanderthal. They are different from Africans. They used crude tools. They survived in the year 1,30,000 to 40,000 years ago. The common name for Neanderthal is not fully human. Next, Homo sapiens. They are the modern human being. They had the knowledge of hunting and gathering. They survived in the year 30,000 years ago. The common name for Homo sapiens is wise man. Children, next Cro-Magnons. Children, do you know? They are the beginning of the human life. They used many weapons like hormones. They survived in the year 50,000 to 40,000 years ago. And still they are in the exist. The common name for Cro-Magnons is the modern human.
Grandma, it's fantastic.
Yes, it is. Now I will explain the hunting and gathering.
Hunting and gathering. Homo species breaked the stone and used it as tools. They dig a pit to trap animals. Then they cut the small pieces to eat their food.
Tamil, do you know how they discovered fire?
No, Grandma, how did they discover?
Discovery of fire. Once upon a time, lightning struck the wild animals in the forest. Homo species ate the animal struck by the lightning. It was very soft and tasty. This made humans aware of the effect of fire. They used flintstone to discover the fire, and from that moment they cooked their food and ate.
What next, Grandma?
You will be surprised to know the next. They invented wheel and pot.
The invention of wheel and pot making. Children, once upon a time, people saw stones rolling down from the mountains. They were so excited. Then they decided to make a wheel and finally invented the wheel. They made pots using the clay. They found transport by the invention of wheel. They also painted the pots using natural dyes.
Can you identify what is there in this picture?
Yeah, some drawings.
Well said, Tamil. These drawings serve as art and architecture.
Inscriptions are the words or the symbol engraved on the solid surfaces. These are the some example of inscriptions which serve as the sources of information about the past.
How about domestication of animals, Grandma?
Humans found that dogs have good sniping skills. So they domesticated dog first and later domesticated goat, cow, and so on.
What next?
During this period, they involved themselves in the field of agriculture, then slowly developed skills of handicraft. Then they followed the barter system, that is, they sell goods in exchange of other goods. Barter means the exchange of goods without involving money.
Thank you so much, Grandma. You have shared many useful information. I will share these information to my friends tomorrow in the school.
Very good, Tamilini.
So, my dear children, from this lesson we have learnt about the evolution and stages, how the hunting and gathering can start, how they discovered fire, finally the exchange of goods without involving money, that is called barter system. I hope you all understood this lesson clear. Thank you, children.